Question 1. A. A family is having a picnic by the river. B. A group of friends is playing volleyball on the beach. C. A couple is sunbathing on the beach. D. Kids are building a sandcastle. The correct answer is B. A group of friends is playing volleyball on the beach. Question 2. A. A boy is playing the drums in a band. B. A man is playing the violin in an orchestra. C. A girl is playing the piano in a concert hall. D. A woman is singing in a choir. The answer is C. A girl is playing the piano in a concert hall. Question 3. A. A boy is feeding ducks at the pond in the park. B. A girl is picking flowers in a meadow. C. A man is walking his dog in the park. D. A woman is reading a book by the river. The correct one is A. A boy is feeding ducks at the pond in the park. Question 4. A. A group of tourists is snorkeling near the beach to observe the fish. B. A fisherman is casting his net into the sea from his boat at dawn. C. A marine biologist is taking water samples from the ocean for research. D. A professional diver is exploring a coral reef underwater. The correct answer is D. A professional diver is exploring a coral reef underwater. Question 5. A. A street artist is spray painting a vibrant mural on an urban wall. B. A construction worker is applying a fresh coat of paint to the exterior of an old building. C. An advertisement crew is setting up a billboard for a new movie on the side of a building. D. A group of volunteers is planting trees to create a green space in the city. A street artist is spray painting a vibrant mural on an urban wall is the correct answer.
Hello, everyone! Have you ever imagined yourself having a beautiful love story with your handsome boss? No? Then let me tell you my story. It all started in the office. He wasn't just a leader, he was the dream boss. Caring, smart, with a smile that could light up the room. Our first encounter? By the coffee machine. Try the caramel latte, he said. It's sweet, just like you. Lunches together became our thing. He'd share stories and I'd laugh. I was falling for him, and I thought he was too. Then came the day he took my hand. Let's not just dream of happiness, let's make it, he whispered. A surprise date followed, a picnic under the stars. Is this real, I wondered? With him, everything was possible. He talked of a future, our future, Plans, dreams, a house with a white picket fence. It was perfect. One day, we were at the company's annual gala. The lights dim, music playing. When he led me to the dance floor, our eyes locked, and as we danced, it felt like we were the only two people in the world. Then he leaned in. Just as our lips were about to meet, a loud noise pierced the air. I thought, what could possibly interrupt this perfect moment? And then, the ringing of my alarm clock. I woke up startled, the dream shattering around me. No dance, no kiss, no boss. It was just a dream, a beautiful, silly dream. The reality? I have to get up and go to work. No romantic story, just another day. But you know what? It's okay. Dreams can be sweet, and who says we can't enjoy them? Thank you for dreaming with me. Now, let's go make our own stories.
One. Where did Andrea first encounter her boss? B. By the coffee machine. 2. How did Andrea feel about her boss? A. She was falling for him. 3. What became a regular activity for Andrea and her boss? A. Having lunches together. 4. Where did the surprise date take place? Under the stars. 5. What was the loud noise that interrupted Andrea's dream? C. Alarm clock.
Have you ever tried any dishes from France, Morgan? Yes, Jamie, I love French cuisine. I've tried beef bourguignon before, and it was delicious. Oh, that's a classic. French cooking is all about the technique. Did you make it yourself? I did. It took some time, but the beef stewed in red wine was worth every minute. I've always wanted to try making ratatouille. It looks like a healthy option. Ratatouille is great. It's a mix of zucchini, bell peppers, eggplant, and tomato. Very fresh and colorful. What about desserts? Have you tried any French sweets? Of course. I can never say no to a crème brûlée. It's my all-time favorite dessert. French cuisine certainly has something for everyone. I should explore more dishes. Let's plan a French cooking day. We can make a 3-course meal and invite some friends over. Great job! You finished the practice. How do you feel about today's lesson? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Remember to come back and practice with this video again and again to improve your speaking and listening skills. Thanks for joining Practice English with Jessica today. See you next time.